Hi guys, today I'm back with some more earrings. Now, a few weeks ago I used some dried flowers, so I thought I'd do that technique again with this mold. So I thought I'd do this shape here and see how that turns out. And I thought I might use these red and purple dried flowers. I'm going to cut off little bits and pieces to put in here, but first I'm going to just lay down some clear UV resin in the base here. I'm just going to take this little tool here and just spread it all over the base. Okay, so I'm just going to go in . Okay, so I'm just going to go put those under the UV lamp for 1 minute this side, then I'm going to flip it over and do 1 minute under the UV lamp on the other side. Okay, so that has had a minute each side, so now I'm just going to go over with some black UV resin, which I've created by just doing clear UV resin and adding some ultra fine black glitter. Like I said in my previous videos, if I was going to sell these, I would use epoxy resin. I do this first step, leave it cure for at least 12 hours, and then do the next step. But because they're just for me, I'm just going to use UV resin. Okay, so I am just going to put these under the UV lamp now. I'm going to probably do a good 3 minutes this side, then flip it and just do another 3 minutes just to make sure they're really hard. Okay, so that has had those 3 minutes each side. Wow, look at those colors. They're so pretty with that black. Right, let me make another one and I'll be back with the finished product. And there you have it, guys, the finished product. And haven't they turned out really pretty again? I really am loving this technique. So I've added a jump ring and some hooks to finish these ones off. I just really think that that black background makes those flowers pop. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin crafting. Bye, guys.